In authentic hadith, the Prophet says, Jannah lies beneath the feet of the mother. From this we know that the mother is very important in Islam. But why is that? Because the mother in Islam, the mother not only had to go through 9 months of pain of carrying the child. At the end of it all, she had to give birth to the child, and then she's not done yet. She has to take care of the child for a few more years until the child could take care of itself. So we here need to be taken care of by your mother still. In another authentic hadith, we find out there was a man who carried his mother through Hajj. He then happened to come across one of the companions of the Prophet. He asked the companion, he told the companion, I am not obtained camel for them, referring to how he carried his mother through Hajj. He then asked the companion, have I repaid my mother for everything that she's done for me? Then the companion replied, you have not repaid her for a single kick you've given in the room. Let me say that again. The man carried his mother through Hajj, through the hot sun and the very long distances, yet he hadn't repaid her for a single kick he's given in the room. So how can we go about our lives without even thinking about what our mothers have done for us? One last thing before I finish my speech. After you leave this program, I'd like you to thank your mothers for everything that she's done for you. If not thank her, at least think about, if you can't or won't thank her, at least think about what she's done for you. Jazakallah for listening to my speech, and may Allah let our mothers live long and happy lives.